In this video, we present the performance of an alignG-S1 ultrasonic sensor. This is an alignG test and calibration stage with 3 micrometer precision. The performance of this setup is improved using a dial indicator with 1 micron precision. The stage is currently programmed to move alignG 400 micron back and forth when pressing the left or right button. The display shows the real-time measurements sent by alignG-S1 over its serial port. After each step of movement, we wait a second. Then, record the first 5 readings to calculate the precision and accuracy. We will repeat the process for 10 points. Let's speed up the video to save your time. The accuracy of the sensor was better than 40 micron, and the precision better than 20 micron for all points.